In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit ad groups in Google Ads. Whether you're a seasoned advertiser or just starting out on your Google Ads journey, knowing how to effectively manage and edit your ad groups is crucial for optimizing your campaigns and reaching the right audiences. So let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign into your Google Ads account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access the tools we'll be discussing. It's important to have a good, stable internet connection throughout this process to avoid any interruptions. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the page. You'll see a menu, find and click on the Campaigns section. This is where all your advertising campaigns live, and it's the main hub for managing and organizing your promotional strategies. With the Campaigns page open, you'll next want to locate and click on the specific campaign you're interested in editing. This will bring up all the details associated with that particular campaign, including different ad groups within it. Navigate to the section labeled Ad Groups. This section is crucial as it organizes your ads based on shared settings and common themes, allowing for more targeted or experimental advertising efforts. Now scroll through the list of ad groups until you find the one you'd like to make changes to. Hover your cursor over the specific setting of that ad group which you wish to alter. Google Ads makes this part user-friendly by highlighting options when you hover over them. To make an edit, look for the pencil icon that appears next to the setting you're focusing on. Clicking this pencil icon is your quick gateway to modifying the details. This may include adjusting the ad group name, changing bids, or revising targeting criteria, depending on what you need. Once you've clicked the pencil icon, a dialog box will appear, allowing you to enter your new settings. Carefully input any changes you desire. Ensure that these adjustments align with your campaign objectives, whether to increase engagement, improve click-through rates, or simply to try new approaches. Finally, after making your edits, make sure to click the Save button to apply these changes. Ensuring that you save your work is essential so that nothing gets lost and your campaign reflects the new adjustments you've implemented. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on editing ad groups in Google Ads. With these instructions, you should be able to confidently manage your ad groups, ensuring your campaigns are finely tuned for success. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.